Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this DinoSnore Shelly filter on. Okay, this is the effect. You need to show your full body. Okay, to get this effect, this is a AR effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just tap on the All Effects button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here, then what you can do, tap on the search button and search for DinoSnore. Okay, the first one, videos, tap there. Okay, you got the effect. Okay, so your full body for the effect to trigger. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for DinoSnore Shelly filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect.
2, 3, 4, Nina Psycho at 2, 3, 4, Nina Psycho at.
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. You will be directed to the effect page.
2, 3, 4,
button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. That's it, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.